Welcome sa ating tutorial on how to enroll as a distributor sa lifevantage.com. So, let's start with type in nyo po yung referral number ng inyong sponsors. So, example, sa akin po is 38 55138 dot lifevantage.com. Enter. So, yan po, lalabas yung default page ng LifeVantage. Nandiyan po yung iba't ibang countries. So, for example, kayo po ay nasa US. Just look for the country na gusto nyo or kung saan kayo ngayon. So, let's take United States as example. So, click. So, accept. Ayan po, makikita nyo yung iba't ibang product. So, you have there the collagen, beauty system, true science, healthcare. So, depende po sa country kung ano yung mga products available. So, under the Become a Consultant, click nyo po yun. So, lalabas ito po yung name ng referral nyo. So, double check kung tama. Yun. Scroll down nyo lang po. Yan, makikita nyo yung iba't ibang mga videos about LB products. So again, this is the page for enrolling a consultant. So enroll now. Click. Mapupunta kayo ngayon sa enrollment pack. So you can choose what enrollment pack ang gusto nyo. So scroll nyo na lang po. So you have there the Healthy Glow enrollment pack, Optimize Health, Achieve More, Look Radiant, Essential Glow enrollment pack, and a business pack. So let's take, for example, pwede naman yung i-choose yung this one, Start Kit. Tapos mag-order na lang kayo ng mga product na gugustuhin nyo. Okay, let's look for Essential Glue. Atat na natin to. Rice and AM set with purchase. So, yun po yung laman niya. Collagen liquid. Tsaka F2. For example, choose this pack. Yan po, ipapalo nyo lang po. If you want to add the other product, wala namang problema. Ayan, you can still add the other product that you want to choose. So, yan dyan po. Follow nyo lang. So, you can skip this step para to proceed. So, yun lang po. Enter nyo lang yung mga kailangan na details. Yung name nyo with correct spelling po ha. Email, working email, working phone, birth date, shipping address. So, ganyan lang po ang gagawin nyo. Ano naman po yan eh, easy to follow. Then, ako applicant, check lang naman po itong part na to. Okay, then pag okay na yan, just click the continue. So, pupunta naman kayo sa page, sa second page, yung sa payment na po. So, meron dun pa through credit card, and you can choose shipping, ship to dun sa nilagay nyong shipping address. So, it will be shipped sa inyong address. Okay. So, yan po. Thank you.